Hello YouTube. Today we're gonna be looking at the Series 2 toolboxes from Harbor Freight, US General 2. I found out that this Harbor Freight in what is this? Apache Junction, located near Phoenix, Arizona. I found out that this Harbor Freight has it. It's a small Harbor Freight, and I came and look at them. And all right, let's go ahead and get started with them. All right, we're pulling up to the store. It's a small store located near Phoenix, Arizona. As you can see, it's one of the smallest ones I ever visited before. It actually looks like a dollar store, you know. Anyways, the boxes, the US General Series 2 boxes, they're real good looking. Real nice finishes from the outside overall. And then you got the accessories, the US General. You got the top drawer, the side drawers, and the side accessories. Here's the drawers. They roll okay. They roll pretty good, pretty smooth. That's a smaller drawer, and that's the 26-inch roller cabinet. I like the top. The top of matte. That's nice. Feels real good. Yeah. Let's. I like the bed line. The liners too. They're nice. As we take a look at these boxes, I did see one small detail with these boxes. As you guys could see, I'm putting pressure on it, and it's holding off pretty good for the pressure I'm putting. That's a deep drawer. And that's the Series 1, I believe. That's the older version of the only new ones are these two. The ones with all the accessories and the smaller one. Yeah, these are the normal ones. Series 1. That's the overall view of it when you put all the accessories in the top box and the sides. I like the lid on the top. That's nice. It comes with the two struts, and then you got one big drawer there in the middle. Yeah, when you go side to side on these drawers, they're actually kind of loose. You put pressure on it, and you see that it actually bends outwards from the bottom when you put pressure on the reels themselves. So that's one thing I didn't like about these boxes from Harbor Freight. Can you see when I put pressure on it, how it angles, how it yeah, how the rails angle. But yeah, I guess that would be the only downside on these boxes. I mean, for the price, they're okay. It's a good starter box, but if you're gonna be doing this professionally or you're gonna have a shop, I would stick with another name brand. But to maybe have at your house, you know, as your own toolbox, and you don't want to waste so much money, you're not gonna put a lot of weight on these, then just why not even, why not buy them? They're okay. But yeah, I'm gonna test out these drawers for you guys. As you can see, I'm shaking it side to side. This one actually feels a little bit better than the box himself, the big box. But as you can see, you still have some movement there. And you shouldn't have that much movement. As you can see, that's the smaller one. That one actually feels better than the big one. That's a nice handle there, chrome handle, US General. Yeah, that's the series 1. That's the big series, the series 1 bigger box. A 72-inch. Yeah, you see the movement when how it you can easily move the whole thing, and it just wobbles everywhere. That's one thing I don't like about these boxes. Because it should have some movement, but not that much. Because once you put some weight in here or some time, everything's gonna come loose and it's gonna fall. It's gonna give out. But yeah. That's see how it moves? I'm almost afraid the whole thing's gonna fall out, That's how bad these boxes are. Alright. Now let's look at the tool carts. That's the new tool cart. Looks like the drawers are pretty good on this. You guys could tell the difference between the toolboxes and the tool carts. See? It moves a lot less, and it's a lot more sturdier than the toolboxes. It moves a little bit, but it's just a little bit of movement. You can tell the higher quality of those rollers. I guess Harbor Freight has their toolboxes made in a different company. Different production place or something. Alright, well, that was my quick review on these brand new toolboxes from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon. Thank you for watching.